Hi. So in this project, we are gonna learn about OpenCV. So OpenCV is a image processing and an image manipulation package through which we can manipulate image in the way we like, in any way we would like, right? So we firstly go to official repo in which we can understand here that what and all we can do and what and all we will be doing in this particular project. So as I said earlier, it's a OpenCV is a OpenCV was firstly introduced in C++. Then actually its binding came in Python as the image enhancement and deep learning and everything progressed over Python. But the absolute bindings are present in Python, so it is very easy for us to use that in whichever wherever do we need, right? So there are some of the applications in OpenCV. Let's say you want to add few. So what and all we will be going through this particular project. First, we'll read that loud. So one can be how exactly we should be adding to image, how exactly we should be subtracting to image, what are the different color spaces we have, how exactly we convert one color to another color, how can we detect the edges around it, how can we understand where is the line, where is the circle, what is the color of particular circle, how can we match the template, how, and many more, right? The features are exactly the many more, the video processing, the pose estimation, the object detection, the face detection, everything is there in the OpenCV, and you can actually do wonders with the OpenCV package, right? So these are the few things which we can do in OpenCV, and in this particular project, we will be going towards arithmetic operation. What are the color spaces we have, and how exactly we can convert those? What are the corner detections? Hairy corner detections to be very absolute. We will be talking about. We'll be also talking about edge detection and how edges can be detected using OpenCV. We'll be also talking about how exactly we can detect face, mouth, eye, etc. in the OpenCV. Again, how exactly can we detect the line, the circles, etc. There are different feature extraction techniques in OpenCV, and there are different feature matching techniques in OpenCV. We'll be talking about that also. We'll be also talking about how exactly we can use morphological transform to detect many things like circles, straight lines, and how exactly we can use kernels. The first of an all, in the first video only, we will be talking about how to read and write in the image, how to display the image, etc. We'll be also talking about can we soothe the image so that the basic noises can be removed. We'll be also talking about thresholding and how thresholding can be done to improve image. This is video processing through which we will be understanding how exactly a given video can be extracted into images and images as a frame, so that that particular image or a frame can be further processed using image processing pipeline, right? So these all are required just to understand how exactly we should be using images, right? So these processing and image manipulation are required before deep learning, also before ML also, or if there is a niche image processing or a image manipulation problem, we can try to use that directly there also, right? So there are multiple scenarios where this can be used, and it all depends on what is the ask then the project, and how exactly we can equip our image processing and manipulation techniques to get used of it, right? So I can give you some of the examples. So let's talk about face detection, right? The first thing what we start is face detection by har cascade, right? It's from OpenCV. Let's say we are talking about there is a form and you need to understand where exactly name is written, and name is written in the box, right? So what we need to detect the boxes around that. Now you can break this into furthermore, like how exactly boxes are made using vertical and horizontal lines, right? So first what you need to do, you need to detect the horizontal lines, you need to detect the vertical lines, and then you need to add it up to to write to understand where exactly is the form elements, right? And there are a couple of other the video processing is the one basic thing what everyone should understand, that whilst using videos, we need to convert that video into images so that it can be used directly in the image processing project, right? This is it. So we'll start with basic introduction of how exactly our project structure is, how exactly we can move towards it, where is the path defined, what is the input and the output folder, everything, and then we will again delve into arithmetic operation or reading, writing, etc. One by one. Thank you so much for the video. Thank you.